going? You ready? All the way to our house. You ready? Go. You got it. Keep going. Keep pedaling. Keep pedaling. Keep pedaling. You got it. Keep pedaling. Oh, that was far. You want to do it again?
Mom.
Yeah.
Mom.
What? Ready?
My big kid friend, his name is Dad. He was at church with me, and he said, he didn't say a bad word. He said, "Oh no," and then because he dropped something.
Oh, good. You ready?
Okay, yeah, I'm ready.
All right. You got it. There you go, man. Look at you. Look at you going. Good job. Woo! Oh, you all right? You okay? Let me see. Let me see it. Oh, goodness. Are you all right? A little scratch there, huh?
Let's do it again.
You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay. You okay?
I pressed in a tree when I was on the road.
Oh, my goodness. You're pretty brave.